In this lecture, we are going to see two different things. 1. Number of referring domains to your website. 2. Number of domains linked from the URL. Let's start with referring domains. In the last lecture, I asked you a question. Website A has 50 backlinks from 10 different domains and website B has 50 backlinks from 5 different domains. The number of different domains that refer to a home page is increasing year by year, which is clearly evident from the graph. This trend is particularly true for brands, as they continue to occupy the top ranking positions, and their growth in terms of referring domains is also clearly visible. Hence, brand awareness and relevant content generate more backlinks from different domains over time. So, in our example, website A with backlinks from 10 different domains will rank higher than website B, which has got backlinks from 5 different referring domains only. Let's move on to the next SEO factor. Number of domains linked from the URL. First, let me make you clear what this SEO factor is. Let's assume that website P links to website X, Y, Z on one of its page. Website Q links to Y, Z and 8 other websites on one of its page. Website R links to X and 2 others on one of its page. In this case, you could have easily guessed that website X would rank higher than website Y and Z. If you are still unclear, let me explain it further. If you assume P, Q and R all have a link juice of 30 points, then website P gives 30 divided by 3, that is equal to the same 10 points to all 3, that is X, Y and Z. Website Q gives 30 divided by 10, that is equal to 3 points to each link or website it links to. So Y and Z gets 3 points each. Website R gives 30 divided by 3, that is equal to 10 points to each link or website it links to. So X gets 10 points from website R. Now let's add all the points for X, Y and Z. X equal to 10 plus 0 plus 10 equal to 20 points. Y and Z equal to 10 plus 3 plus 0 equal to 13 points. Hence, website X will rank higher than Y and Z. This example highly simplifies the concept employed in actual algorithm to make you understand how the flow of link juice works when more than one link is provided in any given page. With the increase in number of domains linked from the URL, the amount of link juice flows to your website gets reduced. Hence, your search ranking will reduce. Whether the outgoing links target to different domains or same domain, the effect is same. See the graph here in number of external links from the URL. In this research data, the outgoing links to different domains are ignored. Just the number of outgoing links are taken into account. Here the graph is even more linear. That's why it's necessary to get quality backlink. Quality backlink refers to a backlink from an authentic website. The lower the number of links to other websites on the backlink page, the better the SEO benefits for your website. The thumb rule is that if a web page already has 4 or more do follow outbound links or external links, forget getting a backlink from that web page because it will negatively affect your SEO ranking as the correlation factors are negative. Before moving into the next lecture, let me give you a simple question. Website A and B deals with same keyword or topic. Website A has got a backlink with its keyword as anchor word. Website B has got a backlink with its brand name as anchor word. Which one would rank higher? Let's see the answer in the next lecture.